Okay, I'll first show you how, as you can see, there's a sprayer underneath the angle adapter there, and that's to spray on the glass so you can pre-scrub the glass before you water feed it. And I'll show you which sort of brushes I have on it, and you can see how the brushes work. Here we have a do-it-yourself water-fed scrubber. As you can see, it's got a white pad on it and 2 pencil jets. And what I've done here is, as you can see, I've injected the suds on, scrubbed it. So now I've just turned the water on, and you can see how the water cascades down the glass. A very good rinse. Running sideways is the only way to go. You can see plenty of water. No need for any type of bars to get in the road. And here we have an old Reach-It brush I got many years ago, and same thing, you can see that where the spray is, I've just sprayed it, gave it a scrub like that to this side. And now we'll turn that water on and we'll start rinsing sideways. And as you can see, it rinses completely. To this side, go over the frames, just give it a quick rinse. You can see the water just rinsing thoroughly. And anyway, here we've got a large one. This is actually a 20-inch scrubbing pad. As you can see in the picture above, this is just to show how it works. You'd be using this on large glass otherwise. I'm just showing you how it goes. And I'll just rinse vertically with this. You can see this on high buildings with big glass, much easier to use. And as I said, we're just scrubbing here, but otherwise if it's just using the water by itself, obviously it'd be much quicker. And I hope this helps to explain how this works, and well, I suppose, well, that's about it.